Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 8 English textbook. We are going to start our lesson from unit 4, a day in the life of a Chinese school student. Students' learning outcomes of this lesson are illustrate use of linking verbs. We have discussed the use of linking verbs in your previous lessons of your second and third unit 2. So, we are going to discuss the linking verbs in this lesson on page number 50 of your textbook. Let's have a look here. Linking verbs show a relationship between the subject of the sentence and a noun or adjective being linked to it. Adjective is a part of speech that tells you more about the noun. Its color, size, shape, material, everything. It can be both good and bad. So, linking verb क्या करता है? Relationship show करता है between subject of the sentence और noun या adjective के दरमियान. Look, here the examples. My dog is an Akita. Dog and Akita are linked because they are the same thing. My cat is very furry. Cat and furry are linked because furry describes the cat. Furry क्या है यहाँ पर? Adjective है. Furry is an adjective. Furry क्या है? नरम बालों वाली है. My cat is very furry. बहुत नरम बालों वाली है. तो this is a quality here. Adjective quality here. So is here what? The linking verb. Yes. In the first sentence, yes, is also a linking verb here. Dog and Akita are linked because they are the same thing. Akita and dog is the same thing. The most common linking verbs are forms of the verb to be: am, is, are, was, were, being. Am indicates something or being something. Being and am indicate the state of something. Is and are also, but it also indicates the present situation. Was or were, past situation, past. Other common linking verbs include appear, become, feel, grow, look, remain, seem, smell, sound, stay, taste, and turn. But one thing always remember, dear students, if in a sentence we don't have these linking verb in a sentence, so these or other verbs can act like a linking verb. But if we have am, is, or, was, were, being or been in a sentence, then they act like linking verb in a sentence. But if we don't have, the other verbs act like a linking verb in a sentence. Let's do the exercise so it will clear your concepts. Page number 50 of your textbook. Choose the correct linking verb from the given choices. So, the first one, Zubair thought the movie was very good. Can you tell me which one is the linking verb here? Thought, movie, very, or was? Yes, we have discussed it. It's very obvious that was is a linking verb here. Thought is a main verb here. Zubair thought the movie was very good. So, it is connecting the Zubair, the noun, and the adjective here. Good. Good is an adjective verb. The adjective quality here. So it is connecting. The was is linking verb here and it is connecting both noun and the adjective with one another. The second one, Zuhair thinks this math test will be the hardest yet. Now tell me, we don't have was, is, were, am, being, or been here. So what will be the linking verb here? Thinks, will be, yet, or taste. No, will be is a modal verb here. It can't be. Yet, no. Taste, no. We have discussed this. Yes, it is very clear. Thinks is a linking verb here. The main verb here, the things, so it act like a linking verb here because it is connecting the Zuhaib and the hardest adjective here with one another. The third one here, the pizza smelled wonderful as we walked past the restaurant. Which one is the linking verb here? The pizza smelled wonderful. Pizza here is the noun. Yes, wonderful is the adjective here. So what is connecting them? Yes, smelled here, the main verb here, because we don't have been, being, was, were, is in that sentence. So the smell is the right option here. The fourth one, last night's homework seemed extra hard. We hadn't had any for 2 days. So last night's homework is a noun here. Extra hard. Hard is an adjective here. So what is connecting them, linking them together? Yes, seemed. We have discussed it. So the seemed is a very appropriate option for it. The fifth one, Hassan is a hockey player, but he hasn't scored any goals this season. Yes, we have the linking verb here and it's very clear. You can see it is the right option here. The sixth one, Maria looked extra pale. She got her last letter from home. Okay, Maria is noun here. Extra pale. Pale बहुत ज़्यादा जर्द दिखाई दे रही थी, बीमार दिखाई दे रही थी. Is an adjective here. So, what word is connecting them, linking them together? Yeah, it's very clear to you. Looked. Looked is a linking verb here. The seventh one, the woman walking down the hall in a green dress is our new teacher. Yeah, we have is here the linking verb. So, no need to choose. Another option is here. Is here the right option. The eighth one, Gulrukh was so scared. Her dream that she didn't sleep the rest of the night. Yes, we have was here the linking verb which is connecting them. The whole sentence, was is the appropriate for it. I want you to choose the correct option for these remaining sentences too. This is your home task from textbook. You have to give it a read, the page number 44 from unit 4. Just read it and identify all the linking verbs you can find. I hope you will do your homework, and if you have any confusion regarding the lesson, you can watch it again and do the exercise. Till next lesson, thank you and Allah Hafiz.